Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. I want to watch it. Oh, good shit. That was like over the fucking head.
There's some more coming up too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking mirror. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Dude,
Oh my god.
that was insane. That was absolutely
Oh
insane.
shit. There's another. There's a van?
Is that the same dude?
I don't know.
Wanna go out that way?
Yeah.
Oh shit, Sean.
We'll stop for a second. Holy fuck, that truck behind us. I guess I didn't fucking ingest any water in the engine.
I guess not.
That was fucking insane. Holy shit.
This whole trail is insane.
Fucking brakes are wet. I hate when people behind me that I don't know. Like I thought.
They're not gonna do it. Rain tube is a pretty good idea. Holy shit. Wes is gonna
Wow.
do it. Wes says fucking.
See, that wasn't that bad, but it just looks like they are.
Yeah. And we're going into the lake, it looks like. Which means we get to do all that over again.
Yeah. I was like, I can drive over everything. I can't drive over that. Even he waited. It was pretty cool.
That's the deep one that you just went through, dude. Dude, do it. You already did it.
No.
It's all washed out.
Oh shit. This thing impresses me. Do you ever think this thing would go through that? Either one of our Subarus? It is funny because his looks completely stock. I mean, it kind of is. It's got tires, no sways. Like it. Oh! That's awesome. Tell Burris get out here with his Jeep. Are you videotaping that?
Yes.
I'm gonna send that to him. Oh shit. Get that fixed.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Hold on, stop. I want to get them. Oh my god. Oh my god, holy shit.
Don't shut it off!
It's gurgling, that's fucking awesome.
Alright, you see the front? This is really pull me out. Yeah. There's a reason.
I don't feel bad for getting stuck because there's a reason I got.
What's the Miata's back around? Oh shit, that's what I did.
Yes!
Maybe he should go in front.